Hello, yeah, here for one more lesson of this CAD training course, and the topic for today will be the slides and the icons. So the idea of these functions, very similar on their purpose, is to create either a saved image which you can connect to your drawing, or create an icon that you also connect to your file. Uh, this is very simple. I will create a couple of entities to show how to deal with this. Nothing in particular. Okay, couple of circles, some graphical lines, hiding construction. So we need to come to this tools menu. Then we have these two icons, the preview and the icon. So preview first to create the image. We can choose from these actions. Let us create a BMP, just saying OK for now, selecting the area, going there again and say export it. We can do it automatically or not by these functions here. OK, give it a name, A for example, save it, and we should have an image of this guy here. OK. Second function is the function icon, and we can create an icon. We can create several things. We can do it from drawing, for example, okay, selecting also an area, or you can do this auto create, which will choose from all these dimensions, for example, okay, and then we can set one of the areas, and we can either export it or import it, but before we can edit and make this kind of function, in this particular case maybe not so easy. Let's try to edit. Okay, this one. Let's choose one color, okay, the pencil. Okay, we can do something around here, create some figures, okay, this kind of functionality, and then export it to the format of an icon. Just say it B, and okay, and we should have an icon here which you can use also to connect to your drawing. So this is very easy to understand. It can help you a little improving some specific configuration of your files and your drawings, and I think the examples are quite clear for your understanding. But anyway, if you need some help, you know how to reach us.